Oscar Island Style, your virtual gateway to a culinary paradise where the flavors of the tropics come to life in every dish. I'm your host, Oscar, and I'm here to take you on a mouth-watering journey through the vibrant and exotic world of island-inspired cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, you've come to the right place to explore the tantalizing tastes and rich cultural heritage of island cuisine. From sizzling jerk chicken to refreshing coconut-infused cocktails, we've got it all covered. So, grab your apron, dust off your taste buds, and get ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will transport you to the sunny shores of the Caribbean, the Pacific, and beyond. Subscribe now and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious moment on Oscar Island Style. Jamaican Oxtail is a flavorful and hearty dish that requires some time and effort to prepare, but the results are well worth it. Here's a basic recipe for Jamaican Oxtail. Ingredients. For the marinade: 4 pounds oxtails, trimmed and cut into 2-inch pieces. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce. 2 tablespoons browning sauce, optional for color. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 2 teaspoons salt. 1 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon allspice. 1 teaspoon dry thyme. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 Scotch bonnet pepper or habanero pepper, minced, remove seeds for less heat. 2 green onions, scallions, chopped. 1 onion, chopped. For cooking: 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 2 cups water. 2 cups beef broth. 2 carrots, peeled and sliced. 2 potatoes, peeled and diced. 2 stalks of celery, chopped. 2 sprigs of fresh thyme. 1 Scotch bonnet pepper or habanero pepper, whole, optional, for more heat. Salt and black pepper to taste. Instructions. Marinate the oxtails. In a large mixing bowl, combine the oxtail pieces with all the marinade ingredients. Massage the marinade into the meat until it's well coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow the flavors to penetrate the meat. Brown the oxtails. Heat the vegetable oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Remove the oxtail pieces from the marinade, reserve the marinade, and add them to the hot pot. Brown the oxtails on all sides until they are nicely seared. This step adds depth of flavor to the dish. Remove the oxtails from the pot and set them aside. Sauté aromatics. In the same pot, add a bit more oil if needed. Add chopped onions and sauté until they become translucent. Cook the oxtails. Return the brown oxtails to the pot with the sautéed onions. Pour in the reserved marinade, beef broth, and water. Add the carrots, potatoes, celery, fresh thyme, and whole Scotch bonnet pepper, if using. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer gently for about 2.5 to 3 hours, or until the oxtails are tender and the sauce has thickened. Stir occasionally and add more water if necessary to prevent sticking. Season to taste. Taste the oxtail stew and adjust the seasoning with salt and black pepper as needed. You can also remove the Scotch bonnet pepper if it's added for heat. Serve. Remove the whole Scotch bonnet pepper and thyme sprigs before serving. Serve your Jamaican oxtail stew hot with rice and peas, rice and beans, or plain rice. Enjoy! Remember that Jamaican oxtail can be quite spicy due to the Scotch bonnet pepper, so adjust the amount to your spice preference. Be cautious when handling hot peppers and wash your hands thoroughly afterward. Enjoy your homemade Jamaican oxtail. That's a wrap for today's island-inspired culinary journey, my fellow flavor enthusiasts. I hope you enjoyed this taste of paradise and are now equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to bring a bit of island magic to your own kitchen. Remember, the beauty of island cooking lies not only in the ingredients but also in the spirit of sharing and celebration. So, if you whipped up one of our recipes, share it with #OscarIslandStyle on social media, and let's create a virtual feast together. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more delectable island delights, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our latest gastronomic adventures. Until next time, may your dishes be flavorful, your spirits be high, and your hearts be as warm as a tropical sunset. Farewell, my friends, and keep the island vibes alive. Oscar Island style.